So today we are putting together the LEGO BrickHeadz Wall-E set. Now this comes with Eva as well. Now bag number 1 is Wall-E, bag number 2 is Eva. This was a lot of fun. I did this with my family. We also used the tablet. LEGO has an app that you can do step by step, follow it and instructions. It was a lot of fun. It took me a couple hours to do both, but I did enjoy it. It was a lot of fun. It was very relaxing. So we're gonna sit back and let you listen to the music and we can do this together. So Wall-E came with a few extra pieces. Next up, we are doing bag number 2, which is Eve. Now this was also a lot of fun. I found it much quicker for me to do Eva, and this was my second time doing Legos. I had a good time with my family putting this together, very relaxing. The step-by-step instructions were still easy on Eva as well. On the tablet, I enjoyed it. Now let's relax and let's listen to music and do this together. Eva and Wall-E is all done. I enjoyed it, and I enjoyed it doing it with my family, and my family enjoyed it as well. We have this sitting at our TV.